the shuttle. Well, yeah. And today we're back in the kitchen. Yeah, okay, I don't have to start the video. I just want to make a video that I'm like in the kitchen now. So here we are in the kitchen. I know. About to make another cooking video. Anyway, I'm going to teach you all the most awesomest, greatest meal of all time I think y'all might like. Are you ready? Let me grab the ingredients. And it's this. We're going to be microwaving some food. I didn't want to make a tough video about cooking, so microwaving. I gotta open it a little bit. I just forgot. So I didn't want to make a tough cooking video, even though I did. Wow, this looks so edible. Anyway, put it in. It's gonna take a minute. I don't think you hear that, but it's like going up in there. Okay. Oh, it's done. Wow, wow, look at that, look at that. It's the same. I'm eating a fork, by the way. Oh, that was the whole video. I'm sorry. Like, I didn't know what you were expecting. It was like a whole video of just me like doing that, you know? Okay, like bye.